Hey guys, today I'm gonna be showing you the Mineru duplication glitch in The Legend of Zelda Tears of the Kingdom. This works on both Switch 1 and Switch 2 editions. Now with that in mind, let's get started. So first, what you're gonna want to do is, you're gonna want to summon Mineru if you haven't already summoned her. You hop on her back, and then you dismiss her and hold up to four items of the item you want to duplicate. No more than 4 because then the duplication glitch won't work. Then you go into your map, go into adventure log, and watch 2 memories. You can skip both of them. Then after you've done that, all you gotta do is hold down R to throw. Then you throw the item that you want to duplicate, and you should see that 4 has been minused from your thing. To do the glitch, you'll have to throw the rest of these down. Okay, and as you can see, I have 0 of these, or -1 of these, in my hand. I just throw all these. And now you may be thinking, hey, didn't we just throw down all the stuff? Well, I'm still holding stuff. Now, this is why you only hold 4. You pick any other item and put it on the ground. Then, kaboom, you have 4 more. And you can do this anywhere and as many times as you want. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.